Welcome all you budding woodworking entrepreneurs. Here's a mind-blowing fact to get you started. Did you know that some of the most successful woodworking businesses began in humble home workshops? It's true. And today, we've got a treasure trove of tips and tricks to help you start your very own home-based woodworking business. So, have you ever wondered how to turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable venture without breaking the bank? Stick around because we've got you covered. 1. Start small. So, you're itching to start your woodworking business, but the budget is tight. No worries. The key here is to start small. Choose a few projects that you're confident in. Starting small means less upfront investment in materials, which is a smart way to test the waters. 2. Repurpose wood. Here's a secret that'll save you a bundle. Consider repurposing wood. You'd be amazed at how much discarded wood you can find. Think pallets, offcuts, or reclaimed materials. It's a fantastic way to cut down on material expenses and reduce waste. And you can create some really great pieces. 3. Thrifty tools. Now, let's talk tools. You don't need a fancy, expensive workshop to get started. Look for affordable, used, or refurbished tools. As your business grows, you can gradually build up your collection. A decent table saw, and some handheld power tools like a sander, can help you get off to a quick start. 4. Crafty marketing. Marketing your home-based business doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. You can be your own marketer. Create your own marketing materials and strategies. Focus your message on your target customers and the benefits your products offer. Use social media, free listings, and good old word of mouth to spread the word. 5. DIY packaging and displays. Here's a clever idea. Make your own eco-friendly packaging and display setups using recycled materials or budget-friendly options from local stores. Remember, presentation is everything. 6. DIY branding. Here's a neat trick. Design your logo and branding materials yourself using free or low-cost graphic design software. A distinctive brand identity can make your business stand out. Canva is an excellent online platform for doing this, and it's completely free to use. 7. Eco-friendly thrift shops and resale stores. Thrifting isn't just for fashion and housewares, it's for woodworkers too. Check out your local thrift shops for tools and unique materials you could work into your designs. You'll be surprised at what gems you can find there. Local events and fairs. Get involved in your community by participating in local craft fairs, flea markets, farmers markets, or community events. These typically have affordable booth fees, and it's a great opportunity to introduce your business to the neighborhood. 9. Stay patient and persistent. It's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, stay committed, and invest your time wisely. Building a profitable business takes time, especially on a limited budget. Stick with it and strive for constant and never-ending improvement. Starting a woodworking business from home on a shoestring budget is absolutely doable. With a bit of creativity, determination, and these clever ideas, you can transform your woodworking passion into a thriving home-based business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to explore our other woodworking tips and business advice. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy woodworking and best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.